The most common way people fix a wheel hub and bearing noise is to turn up the radio. So let's go ahead and turn down the music and see if we can't diagnose this properly.
This video is sponsored by GSP North America. Over 35 years of manufacturing CV axles, loaded strut assemblies, hub assemblies, and much more. Visit gspnorthamerica.com for more information.
Wheel hub and bearing assemblies are some of the hardest working parts on a vehicle. Not only do they support the weight of the vehicle as it runs over potholes and bumps, but it also has the task of holding the wheel on. Making sure that we correctly identify and diagnose a failure in a wheel bearing is a key to keeping a vehicle safe. In most cases, the first sign of a wheel bearing failure will come in the form of a grinding noise. A simple test drive can help determine for sure if it is the bearing and which one it is. While driving, listen to figure out if the noise changes with road speed and not engine speed. A bad wheel hub and bearing assembly will change the noise it makes in relation to the road speed. As you drive the vehicle, try different road surfaces. If the noise changes with the road surface, then it's probably a tire noise instead of a wheel hub and bearing noise. What is sometimes tougher to figure out is which specific bearing is making the noise. To test this, long, easy turns will help you to load one side of the vehicle. If you go around a turn to the right and the noise gets louder, then it is the left side wheel hub and bearing that is worn. The opposite is true for a left-handed turn. If the noise gets louder, it is the right hand or passenger side wheel hub and bearing assembly that's faulty. Once you're done with the test drive, it's time to put the vehicle in a lift to get a better look at things. You can now spin the wheel and tire assembly to listen for noises and also see if there's any grinding. Also, grab the wheel and tire assembly and shake it both from top to bottom and from side to side. If you can see play coming from the wheel hub and bearing assembly, it's time to replace it. Replacing a worn wheel hub and bearing assembly will help keep everyone safe. It'll also make sure that the radio doesn't have to be as loud. I'm Josh Trokey, and thanks for watching.